Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to the Wild Classroom. So today we begin a brand new lecture series on types of tanks and cages in aquaculture. In the last lecture I gave you an overview of all the different options from concrete tanks to fiberglass tanks, tarpaulin setups, cages in rivers, floating cages in lakes and even indoor systems. But now we are going deeper. So in each lecture we will look at one system in detail, its structure, how it works, its advantages, disadvantages, and how you can use it to start your own aquaculture business. So, and today's lecture is about concrete tanks for aquaculture. So, let's begin. So, dear students, what exactly is a concrete tank? What are concrete tanks? A concrete tank is a permanent structure built from cement, sand, bricks, and plaster. So farmers usually build them in either a rectangular or a circular shape. So why are they popular? Because they are long lasting, strong and easy to clean. In fact, if maintained well, a concrete tank can last 15 to 20 years. So concrete tanks are mostly found in cities, peri-urban areas and commercial farms where farmers want a reliable professional setup. So now students, let's look at how concrete tanks is built. So first, the base or foundation must be strong to hold thousands of liters of water. Then the walls are built either rectangular or circular, usually plastered smooth so fish don't get injured. So next we add an inlet pipe. This is where clean water enters. So we also add an outlet pipe or drainage system. So this is where dirty water and waste can be removed. So dear students, in circular tanks, water flow is designed in such a way that waste gathers in the center and can be easily flushed out. So in rectangular tanks, water usually flows from one end to other. Now let's talk about how a concrete tank actually functions in aquaculture. So first you fill the tank with water up to right level. Then you add aeration system like paddle wheel aerators or air blowers. I already discussed about these systems in my previous lectures. Then to make sure oxygen is always available. Okay, so fish are stocked according to tank capacity. For example, tilapia or catfish can be stocked at a density of 30 to 50 fish per cubic meter if water is managed well. Then feeding trays or automatic feeders can be used inside the tank. And very importantly, monitoring is done. pH, oxygen, ammonia and temperature must be checked daily. Students, the beauty of concrete tanks is that they are easy to disinfect. If there is a disease outbreak, you can empty the tank, wash it, disinfect it and refill it, something that is harder in other ponds. Now let's discuss about the advantages of concrete tanks. So there are the following advantages of concrete tanks. The first one is long lifespan, 15 to 20 years. They are easy to clean and disinfect, compatible with modern systems like aerator, filters and RAS, and good for urban and commercial farming. The disadvantages of concrete tanks are higher initial cost. You need to invest more at the start and permanent. Once you build it, you can't move it. So if you have capital and want a long-term business, concrete tanks are an excellent choice. But if you are just starting and want something temporary, so tarpaulin or fiberglass tanks may be better. So dear students, let me give you some real life examples. The first one is in peri-urban areas around big cities. Farmers use circular concrete tanks to grow tilapia and catfish because they can sell directly to city markets. So dear students, we have learned today that concrete tanks are one of the strongest, cleanest and most professional options in aquaculture. Yes, they require more money in the beginning, but in the long run, they save your time, so reduce risk and support sustainable production. So in the next lecture, we will move to fiberglass and plastic tank systems. So systems that are lighter, movable and perfect for urban farmers. If you found value in today's lecture, please like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next part of this aquaculture series. Thank you very much.